Okay, we're going to begin by doing a lesson that deals with your square numbers through 20. This is one of the basic concepts. It's put in the work now to learn these values so that later on things that we'll do will be easier. So we're just going to make a list here of each one. So 1 squared is 1, 2 squared, 4. I'm not going to say them all out loud. I'll just keep writing them here. 'Okay, so my suggestion would be to write these down somewhere. Our practice is going to be just to continue to do these as quickly as we can, to know these. Again, purposes for future lessons and future concepts that we'll learn.